Welcome guys. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the variables and data types available in the C++. First one is variable. There are four basic variables available in the C++, known as integer, float, character, double, etc. The syntax is given as type of variable means the type has been declared above and the variable name which can be anything. A variable is a name of memory location. It is used to store data. Its value can be changed and it can be reused many times. It is a way to represent memory location through symbol so that it can be easily identified. Let's see the example of variables. You can define the variable like int x, float y, char jpcoder. Okay, likewise. Okay, sorry, char not equal. Char jpcoder is our name. Okay, so these variables we have declare without value. Okay, now we will see the examples of variables with value. Okay, now we will see the variable declaration with value. For example, int x is equal to 5, float j is equal to 10.5. Okay, similarly char a is equal to jp coder. Okay, so these are the valid points of variable declaration. So now we will see the variable declaration with invalid names. Now, as per the rules, we have seen that there are some invalid uh, rules, like we cannot create a variable with numbers. So int 4. Okay, see, we got the error over here. Now float int @ab. See, here also we got the error. Int a space b. Here also we will get the error. Like as per the rule, we cannot put a blank space between variable name. So these are some invalid variable name declaration. Okay. Next one is data types. So the variable types are included in the basic data types. The basic data types includes the integer, character, float, and double data type. Derived data type includes the array and pointer data types. Enumeration includes the enum, and user defined data types includes the structure. Now, for the individual derived enumeration and user defined, we will see the examples in the later videos. As of now, just keep in mind that there are four types of data types available in the C++, known as basic, derived, enumeration, and user defined. Okay, we will meet in the next videos of the C++ with the operators. Thank you guys. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.